March in Solidarity, a deep dive into unity and support. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the beauty and complexity of the English language. Today, we're diving into a powerful phrase that resonates with unity, support, and collective action. March in Solidarity. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also offers a glimpse into how language reflects social movements and shared values. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover the significance behind these words. March in Solidarity is a phrase composed of two key concepts: march and solidarity. To march, in this context, means to walk or proceed as part of a group, typically in a deliberate and organized way, often for a specific cause or purpose. Solidarity, on the other hand, is a term that signifies unity or agreement of feeling or action, especially among individuals with a common interest, mutual support within a group. When combined, March in Solidarity embodies the act of coming together to walk as a unified group, demonstrating support for a cause or expressing a collective stance. This action is not just about the physical act of marching but also symbolizes the strength and impact of unity. Marching in solidarity is a powerful form of nonviolent protest and a visible demonstration of collective support for a cause. It's a way for people to come together, share their voices, and stand up for what they believe in. This form of collective action has been pivotal in many historical and contemporary movements, from civil rights to environmental advocacy. The phrase signifies more than just the act of walking together. It represents the shared experiences, struggles, and hopes of the participants. It's a manifestation of the belief that together, as a unified force, people can bring about change, challenge injustice, and support each other in times of need. Throughout history, March in Solidarity has been echoed in various contexts. For instance, people might march in solidarity with marginalized communities, showing support and calling for equal rights and justice. Environmental activists march in solidarity to advocate for urgent action on climate change. The phrase is adaptable to numerous causes and highlights the communal effort to advocate for a better world. As we wrap up today's video, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding of the phrase, March in Solidarity, and the profound impact it holds in expressing unity, support, and collective determination. Language is a powerful tool in mobilizing and uniting people for a common cause, and this phrase beautifully captures the essence of collective action and mutual support. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this discussion not only enriched your English vocabulary but also inspired you to reflect on the power of unity and collective action. Until next time, keep exploring the depths of the English language and the stories it tells. Goodbye, and take care.